Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. This is Mountain Man Ed. He stopped by to see me today. We're looking at one of his old chainsaws there. I'm going to tell you a story. The first time I met old Mountain Man Ed was back in the 70s, and he was riding a BSA, and he had a scabbard on there, and he had his 3030 in it, and we hooked up years ago. But anyway, how'd that saw run there, Mountain Man Ed?
Well, that would run good with a run.
Yep, you got timber with that. Tell me about your buckskins. You don't have them on today, but you've worn them since the 50s or what?
Oh, yeah, I've been wearing them ever since I was born.
Ever since you was born. Okay, well, he's got a part of them on, and this is his, let me see here, this is a little pouch you got here that you make.
Oh, that's my goodies.
And he makes everything. He makes his, let me show you his moccasins. He builds his own moccasins. Look at that there. Yeah. And there's his patch, or his, what do you call that? Your, what is that? Little money pouch. And then you got something on the front there. What's that?
And my apron.
That's his apron there.
I can forget to zip my pants up down here.
Yeah, if you don't zip your pants up, you can, you're good to go.
No, if you're going to do that, you ought to tell me then and how I'll put. I don't wear my shirt. It's too hot.
No, too hot, yeah.
But I am known the other day. I went to powwow 2 weeks.
You're at the powwow?
Yep.
Oh, wow. That was good then.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, next time you're trying to call me or something, and you do have a cell phone.
I think it's time now to home.
And he's, I don't know if you do now, but you did live in a lodge for years.
Well, I had a couple of 20s, 22, 60s.
That's a lodge, you had an actual teepee lodge that he lived in and built a fire in it. Anyway, Mountain Man Ed?
Yes, it was.
Oh,
is it?
yeah? All right.
That's good.
We'll get him on here when he's got his full buckskins on.